Welcome to jzgraphics. In this video, I will teach you how to create the trending Ghibli Art style images that are evolving around the internet these days. ChatGPT lets you generate only one or two images per day, and then it stops. So, what if I told you there's a secret way to create as many Ghibli style images as you want, without limits? Stick around till the end, because I'm revealing a powerful hidden website also in the last of this video that will blow your mind. So, let's get it started. Alright, let's start with ChatGPT. Open ChatGPT and select the image. Then, type a simple prompt like "turn this image to Ghibli style image." Looks amazing, right? But here's the problem. You get only 2 or 3 images, and daily limit has reached. So, what's the solution? Let me show you a genius trick. Simply open your browser, and type ChatGPT. Scroll down, and click on the GPT-4. Then click on ChatGPT Plus. You don't need to buy the upgrade version. Log into your account, and type "Hello ChatGPT." Then type this prompt. And it will give you this answer. And upload your image. Load the image, and type this. It will almost 4 to 5 minutes. I am fast forwarding. I think there is some problem. Let's try with other image. Let's try with other image. And you can create limitless images for free with this method. You can also download the image. But, what if you want a one-click solution for unlimited Ghibli-style images? Here's the secret I promised you: Dzine AI. Go to your browser, and search Dzine AI. Click on the first link. Make sure you are logged into your Google account. Click on the new project. Set your required ratio, and apply. And upload your image. There are multiple styles. I'm going to select this one. Set its settings default. Hit generate. It takes less time than ChatGPT. It provides the high quality images. And that's how you can create unlimited Ghibli style AI art. You can try method of your choice. Let me know in the comments, which AI tool do you prefer? And it's done. If you have any questions, you can ask in the comment section. Subscribe to my channel, and hit the bell icon for more updates.